Uniswap Subgraph is a powerful tool that allows developers to access and query data from the Uniswap protocol in a fast and efficient manner. To understand what a Uniswap subgraph is, we need to break down the concept into smaller parts. First, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The protocol is built on the Ethereum blockchain and uses smart contracts to facilitate trades. A subgraph, on the other hand, is an open-source indexing protocol that allows developers to index and query data from the Ethereum blockchain. It is essentially a data processing pipeline that takes data from the blockchain, processes it, and makes it available for querying. When we combine these two concepts, we get a Uniswap subgraph, which is a subgraph that indexes and provides access to data from the Uniswap protocol. This data can include information such as trade volumes, liquidity pools, and token prices. The Uniswap subgraph is built using the Graph protocol, which is a decentralized indexing protocol that allows developers to build and deploy subgraphs. The Graph protocol provides a set of tools and APIs that make it easy to build and query subgraphs. To build a Uniswap subgraph, developers need to define what data they want to index and how they want to process it. They can then use the Graph protocol to build and deploy the subgraph. Once the subgraph is deployed, it can be queried using the Graph protocol's APIs. One of the key benefits of using a Uniswap subgraph is that it provides fast and efficient access to data from the Uniswap protocol. This makes it ideal for building applications that require real-time data, such as trading bots or data analytics platforms. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that developers use the Graph protocol's tools and APIs to build and deploy their subgraphs. They should also ensure that their subgraph is properly indexed and updated to reflect changes in the underlying data. In conclusion, a Uniswap subgraph is a powerful tool that provides fast and efficient access to data from the Uniswap protocol. By understanding how to build and use a Uniswap subgraph, developers can unlock new possibilities for building decentralized applications and analytics platforms.